Cutting tools, using Seahorse 360 to visualize pipe systems. Here we will show a great tool and how we use it to visualize a pipe system in such a way that we can follow the piping and we can see all its components, accessories, supports, and everything that is important to generate an isometric image. For example, here we have an offshore platform. This platform has a fireproof network, and we will show the tool using this example. If you notice, we already have it marked in red. We can click the highlighted option, which will show the entire fireproof network. We can see where it came from and where it's going, as well as all the level changes that it's making. This is one of the sections of the fireproof network, the main rig, and we can see which components it has. For example, here is a fork, which is not being considered since it's the start of the piping through the bridge. If we wanted to just see the system, how can we do this? It's very simple. We highlight the pipe network and just click on the Insight tool, which allows us to see the system on its own. We can section it as we like. We can see all the existing supports. We can modify them, see all the changes and levels, as well as its trajectory and how many components it has. This tool becomes very practical for decision making and to project plans in case of new pipe routes, which we can resolve very simple. Contact us. We look forward to hearing from you.